Have you ever spent what felt like forever trying to make her orgasm using all the moves you know, and she still didn't get there? Or maybe she did, but it felt like you were working way harder than you should have, wondering if it will always take that much time and effort just to make her come. In this video, I'm going to reveal a secret to making your woman orgasm faster. And it's not what you see in porn. See, there's one thing almost no man ever connects to her orgasm. But if you miss it, she'll stay stuck in her head no matter how good your technique is. Here's a hint. It has nothing to do with her genitals. I'm Magda Kay. I've helped thousands of men have mind-blowing sex without trying so hard. Most men make sex take much longer than it needs to without realizing it. And when you understand why, you can give her the kind of orgasm that feels effortless while actually doing less. Here's something most men never think about, and it changes everything. Most guys believe if you want to get her off, you should go straight for her most sensitive spots. You probably think the fastest path to her orgasm is with your tongue, your fingers, or your Yenseitsat. But when you put the idea of sex in her mind long before you ever touch her, you build desire that makes everything easier. A woman's main sex organ is her mind. During the day, send her messages about how much you want her. Tell her what you're going to do to her later. Tease her imagination so by the time you see her, she's already turned on. By the way, if you'd like to discover where you actually stand right now in your sex life and what women's secret do you wish you knew, I've created a free quiz called How Good Are You in Bed Really? You'll find the link below this video. Now, here is another thing that massively impacts whether she will have an orgasm or not, and it's something men don't think about at all. Picture this. You see a pile of dishes in the sink. You know, you should clean them, but she's naked in bed. You ignore the dishes. You figure sex is way more important. But here's what happens for her. Her brain is still thinking about those dishes or the work email she forgot to send or the trash bag she meant to take out. And when her mind is busy, her body can't fully relax. That's why it takes her so long to orgasm, or why she feels disconnected when she finally does. So if you want her to come faster, take care of the little things first. Tidy up the room, close the laptop, handle whatever needs handling so she can fully let go. Now I get it. There is nothing sexy about doing the dishes or taking out the trash. But if you know it will help you get lucky, those chores might just become your new favorite thing. The third thing is making her feel special. Think about the last time you made her feel truly desired, not just wanted for her body, but as a woman. When she feels like she's the only one you want, like you can't help yourself around her, her entire nervous system relaxes. She feels safe, she feels chosen, and that's when her body opens. So tell her she's precious to you, that you feel lucky to be with her, that you've never wanted anyone the way you want her. And be specific. Compliment something about her that's only true for her. When you do this, she'll start to meld before you ever lay a hand on her. And finally, there's one last thing that changes everything about how fast she comes. Most men go straight for the breasts or the genitals because that's what you'd love her to do to you. But for her, that's skipping all the anticipation. Imagine unwrapping a present and someone just grabs it out of your hands before you've even peeked inside. Women need teasing. Start by touching her everywhere else. Play with her hair, kiss her neck, her arms, her stomach, stroke her thighs and her back. When you finally touch her breast or her kawar, her body will already be burning. That's how you make her come faster with less effort. When you shift your focus from her genitals to everything around them, her mind, her environment, her sense of being loved, you'll see a side of her you didn't even know existed. If you'd like to learn exactly what to say and do so she feels safe, turned on, and ready to surrender, I'd love to help you. You can book a private consultation with me using the link below this video. Together, we'll create a step-by-step plan so you can feel confident and know exactly how to guide her into more pleasure. Lots of love, darling, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.